We're expanding who can build agents. With LangSmith Fleet, anyone can now build, use, and manage an agent fleet without writing code, simply by chatting. Fleet guides you from idea to deployment, crafting prompts, choosing tools, and even generating subagents. In our LangChain Academy course, Fleet Essentials, you'll learn how to build these no-code agents with chat. Many teams face the same challenge when adopting AI. People want to use AI to boost productivity, but writing effective prompts takes practice. Automation tools often have steep learning curves, and it can be unclear which tasks can be automated reliably. LangSmith Fleet solves this. Instead of forcing users to design rigid, step-by-step workflows, it creates true agents. Agents reason, adapt, and decide what to do next in real time. This is why, for so many productivity use cases, agents outperform workflows. They can figure out the right steps on their own, even delegating to subagents. They can work until the task is complete, looping through tool calls as needed. And they can improve with your feedback, using memory to get better over time. With Fleet, we skipped the if this, then that canvas entirely and went straight to a fully agentic system that combines significant power with the simplest creation experience, chat.
In this Quickstart course, you're going to build a real SDR email agent, step by step. By the end, you'll have a working agent and understand how to improve it. I look forward to seeing you in the course.